Create and apply chat templates. Chat templates save you from writing the same messages repeatedly. Whether you're welcoming new clients, requesting missing documents, or sending status updates, templates keep your communication consistent and efficient while giving you time back in your day. Templates work in two ways. You can apply them when sending messages manually, or use them in pipeline automations to send messages automatically as clients move through your workflow. The fastest way to get started is using ready-made templates from the marketplace. Here you'll find templates for common scenarios like client onboarding, document requests, and status updates. These templates are built using best practices and can be easily customized to match your firm's communication style. Let's grab the template for payment issues as an example. For free templates, select Get Free. If a template has a price, you'll proceed with payment to add it to your library. Once you've added a template, find your new template in the list and open it to review and customize. The template editor shows everything you need to configure. Template name helps you quickly identify it when you're selecting from your template library. The sender field determines who the message appears to come from. This is the name your client sees as the sender, regardless of who actually sends the message or triggers the automation. You can select any team member who's assigned to the client's account or who has access rights to view all accounts. This lets you maintain consistent messaging from specific team members for specific types of communications. Thread Assignee determines who's responsible for managing the conversation that follows. When a client responds to this message, the assigned team member receives the notification and handles the follow-up. This assignment happens automatically, ensuring conversations land with the right person without manual routing. It's particularly useful for automations, where you want specific team members handling specific types of client responses. The subject line appears as the conversation name in your client's message list, so make it descriptive and clear. Short codes are used to personalize messages automatically. These are dynamic placeholders that populate with actual client information when the message sends. For example, you can use the client's name, account name, or current date. Short codes work in both the subject line and message body, ensuring every message feels personal even when sent automatically to multiple clients. You can attach files directly to templates. Any document you attach here automatically includes with every message sent using this template, perfect for sending welcome packets, instruction guides, or standard forms. If you want automatic reminders when clients don't respond, toggle on the reminder option. You can configure when reminders go out and what they say, keeping clients engaged without manual follow-up. Once your template is configured, save it. Now it's ready to use whenever you need it. To use your template for bulk messages, select Clients from the Accounts list. In the message window, select your template from the drop-down. The template content populates automatically, but you can still edit the text before sending if you need to customize this specific message. Changes you make to individual messages don't affect the saved template. You're just customizing this one instance. Templates become even more powerful when used in pipeline automations. When editing a pipeline, add the send message automation to any stage. Select your template from the automation settings. Now, every time a job reaches this stage, the message sends automatically using your template. No manual intervention needed. Need to create variations of existing templates? Use the duplicate function. The duplicate appears with the same name as the original, followed by a number in parentheses. Open it and customize as needed. You've got a new template without starting from scratch. When you need to remove templates you're no longer using, select Delete from the template menu and confirm. This permanently removes the template from your library.